Before you watch this video, please make sure to go to my channel and click on playlists. Then from the playlists, select Forex Scalping Strategies. Click on the Scalping Strategies and then you will find here one video called the Best Forex Scalping Strategy explained in details along with Forex price action. Please watch these two videos in order to understand the strategy that you are about to watch in this live trading video. Hello everyone and welcome on this new trading session from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Actually, I don't have much time to explain to you guys. I'm going to open the buy order right now. Fantastic. And I have opened it. Stop loss is about $170. Meanwhile, the profit should be about $320. Hello guys and welcome on this new trading session video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking again. And of course, as we can see, I didn't actually have much time to explain to you the reason behind of this trade, but right now we can talk about it. So, as you can see on the 30-minute time frame and the 15-minute time frame, we can see clearly that we had right here a real level of a support. Meanwhile, we had here one simple fake breakout, and we know it was a fake breakout because the market, after this bearish breakout candle, did not create here a new resistance level. And if we look at the left side right now, we can see that this level was indeed a real level of a resistance, but the market did not respect that level right here. And instead, the market just kept rising, as you can see. So we have ended up with that fake breakout. Now, the candles actually on the pound GPY is falling all the way right here after reversing from 162.195, and seems like that level of a real support is most likely gonna be respected again, and hopefully is gonna be a profitable trade for us. Of course, this is what we call the 20 pips a day strategy. This setup can provide us with about 40 pips of profit. However, I must likely going to close this trade in about $200 of profit, 193, because of course, since I have opened my trade right here on that level of a new support, this is support number 1. Now we have to look at the nearest support or resistance to my entry. That can be seen, of course, right here. This was, of course, the nearest resistance to my entry. Then this is the support after, and this is, of course, the next resistance, and this is the next support, and right here the next resistance. So among these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels, which one of them is gonna be visited first before the other? The answer, of course, is this one right here is gonna be visited before the rest of the levels right here. Therefore, this was, my friends, chosen as of my nearest support, nearest support or resistance, and therefore as of my take profit level as well, and the stop loss is just equivalent to it. Now, of course, we have to consider that the market is getting crazy right now. I don't know what's going on. The signals which I have sent last midweek analysis video actually were doing really great. The EURUSD has already hit the take profit level. Pound USD was actually running in profit, suddenly just now falling in about 22 pips of loss. AUDUSD also it has reversed, was running in about 18 pips of profit. USDCAD was running in total of 53 pips of profit, currently 15 pips only. USDJPY has also been reversed exactly from the new signal or the new price to start buying the market, and went in about 122 pips of profit, currently running in about 76 or 67. USDCHF now running in about 47 pips of profit. Meanwhile, the gold, of course, was running in total of 350 pips of profit before sadly goes now back in the safe zone, currently running in about 224 pips of loss. So again, guys, I have warned everyone that we should actually avoid trading the gold, and I think that many of you have already closed this trade in profit when it was running in about 300 pips of profit. I mean, come on, guys, we cannot be that greedy, right? I mean, it's my mistake. I really wish I made the take profit level to be just 30 pips. 300 pips, and we can by that secure the profits. Anyway, let's see what will gonna happen later with that trade of the gold. Anyway, now for the pound GPY, is running in a good profit. This is, of course, the support zone where actually we can expect from the market to be ranging inside of it before finally becomes in profit. And also, I think it's important to mention that we're having here also a support trend line, which seems like it's gonna be eventually respected. Therefore, let me now please pause the recording and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Wow, this was intense. Actually, this was really freaking me out. The trade was very close to the stop loss, but however, thankfully, by placing the safe zone right here, we can see that the market was actually ranging inside of it, and by deciding that this level right here is going to be the lowest where the market can go against our direction, thankfully this trade is actually has been saved and running in profit. Actually, I was really upset, guys. The loss was really big. It's about $150. I think it was, yeah, almost $150, and I was really nervous. But I decided that this stop loss should remain there because the market has actually no way to reach this level unless it has really failed. And that level of a support just cannot be ignored. I mean, it's so obvious. I was actually about to move my stop loss when I noticed that the market is beginning to reverse at this point, and thankfully it has now reached this level and right now going in about $50 of profit. So good trade and so good deal, and respecting the support and the resistance, and I'm so happy about it. Fantastic. 92. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. I want to get rid of this trade. Thanks God. Thank God. Perfect. I want to get rid of this trade. It was really making me so nervous, and that's it. That's done. I'm done with this trade. Oh yeah, that was a close one. That was a close one. Let me see what we can do next with the pound NZD, pound JPY. Guys, to save your time, let me know please stop the recording, and I'll be back to you shortly. The USDJPY now seems good to be traded. This candle, the 50-minute candle, is just 1 minute away from the closure. I think it's gonna be safe to open the trade right. Increase the lot size to be 1.3 should be fine. All right, and place the buy order. Fantastic. Fantastic. Yes, perfect. And as you can see, guys, because I'm using IC markets, the pip is almost the spread is almost zero. That's of course the reason I'm using IC markets. As you can see, the execution was very fast, and the spreads for the USD pairs is all flat zero. However, for the other pairs, it's also zero as well. But as you can see, it's maybe the highest one is of course the pound NZD 2 pips spread. However, let me explain to you, of course, the reason behind of this trade. Now, as you can see, the USDJPY right now is actually really good. It's running a loss right now of almost $80. Okay, let's see. This candle still has about 33 seconds for the closure. Oh my God, it's already going in big loss. All right, let's not get nervous about this one. $237. Okay. What I was saying, the USDJPY, guys, is actually one appealing pair right now for trading because a small reversal can give us actually a lot of pips. I mean, look at that. The market has fallen for about 8 pips, and if the candle is going to continue the rise to hit the take profit level, it's going to give us $300 equivalent to 32 pips of profit as well. Now, as you can see, we're also having here, by the way, guys, I'm talking to entertain myself, to not focus so much on this trade, so I need to entertain my brain. We are having here that support trend line, which has already become number 1 and number 2 resistance trend lines, and now we can see that the same level has also been respected as a new support trend line, and yes, finally the candle is rising. I think it's gonna be a good deal. And of course, guys, if we scroll to the left side, we can notice that the same level has also been a strong real level of a resistance. And actually, what we are having here is a structure. That structure right here has also been abandoned, as you can see, and the USDJPY is actually leaving that structure after retesting the same level on the previous resistance to create right now the new support. Now, of course, that's not enough. We have to confirm that on the very same level right here, where we are actually planning to open the trade, there has also been a very strong key support level as well. So we can actually rely on it. I bit my lips. Okay, so right here lies the real level of a support, as we can see, which has already been respected right here as well. And if I scroll more to the left side, we can notice, my friends, that this level has indeed been a real level of a support. Therefore, 131.843 is a very strong key level of a support. okay, and cannot be simply ignored. Mainly, guys, thankfully we are finally in profit. Mainly, guys, we are focusing on that structure that the market has already broke out from it, and right now retesting it. Now, after seeing the bullish reversal has already occurred, it means that the USDJPY is gonna continue flying in profit, and hopefully this trade is gonna be so profitable. So anyway, of course, for the take profit level, it should actually be placed right here, to be honest. Why? Because this is, my friends, the nearest support to my entry. Now, of course, I have opened my trade right here on the new support, which means that the trade should actually end with when the market reach the nearest support or resistance to my entry. And of course, it lies exactly right here. This is the nearest support and this is the next resistance. So therefore, this level right here is my take profit. Anyway, let me now please pause the recording and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Alright guys, so let me tell you something. Sometimes we just don't feel comfortable about our trades. This trade has been running in loss for about 15 or 16 pips before finally comes in profit, and I'm so happy about that. I want to close it right now with 60, 70, $70 of profit. Fantastic. That's it. Get done with it. Get done with it. I'm sure it's gonna reverse, as I said earlier, especially that the market has indeed left that structure, but I just have that it's just something inside of me. I don't know how to describe it. I mean, I just feel like, please, enough with it. I don't want anymore. Let me get done with it and just close it. So therefore, I had to close this trade. Anyway, guys, I want to actually to trade the pound JPY. Of course, we have made a small profit of $60 with the USDJPY. It was a good deal, but still, we want more, of course. I want this account to reach $4,000, hopefully by today. Anyway, guys, let me now please pause the recording and I'll be back to you later to show you once I find the next trade. This actually seems like a promising deal. Actually, I don't have much time to explain to you guys. I think I'm going to place this order immediately. I think I'm a bit late. I'm a little bit late. It's okay. It's fine. The stop loss. Oh my god. Oh my god. The stop loss. It's gonna costly. It's gonna be costly. Anyway, I don't think it's gonna reach it. Let me just explain to you guys what is the purpose behind of this trade. So as you can see, we're having here, first of all, no, let's start here. So first of all, we're having here that structure, which actually indicates for a fake breakout. And now on the left side, we can see that we had here number 1, number 2, and number 3 real attempts of a resistance. Of course, here number 4 as well. However, the market has already reached that level of a resistance. I was actually supposed to open the trade right here on the same level of the resistance, but I missed it. However, to confirm this entry with even more signals, we can see that we are having right here a resistance trend line. And as you can see, the market has also made here a fake breakout from that level of a resistance trend line. And the market has reversed exactly on the support right here at 161.085. Now we can actually expect from the market, after reaching that level, to respect the real level of a resistance trend line. Because, yes, now we are running in profit. Oh my god, we are going in good profit. As you can see, the market has actually failed to create here a new support trend line. And instead, it just went down, broken out from that level, and now rising again to respect again the same level of a resistance trend line. $91 of profit. 124. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Forgive me. It might be disgusting, but I'm sorry. I didn't expect it to happen that fast. I mean, it was so quick. I didn't even have time to realize what's going on or to explain to you. Oh my god, that was really great. That was awesome. We have made $124 in a matter of no time. The USDJPY, guys, sorry, the pound JPY. This is the power of pound JPY. That's the reason I really love trading the pound JPY and the pound pairs in general. Anyway, guys, right now it's actually 7:47 p.m. Dubai time. Usually at 8 p.m. I stop all my tradings, and therefore we have made a sweet profits of about $300 in this video. The account right now is 3,638. I will see you tomorrow when I continue trading this account, and hopefully we will reach $4,000 before Thursday. So until then, guys, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.